Hi everyone, this is Aimee. I met Scott through a Facebook friends request, and not long after I stumbled across his 100k coaching program and I did purchase it. It has been the best purchase I have ever made. I had no idea how to set up my business, and what his program has done for me is take me step by step how to do all these things, what I need, how I'm going to find clients, how I'm going to be communicating with my clients, and the most important thing was my niche, what I'm good at, and how I'm going to put it all together and deliver it to my clients. I have had some amazing clients. My niche itself has taken a life of its own as my business has grown, and I truly recommend that you add Scott, or if he sends you a friend's request, you accept it because you will not regret it. He's with you all the way with how to do this. And the challenges he gives you, you grow with it. So it is really valuable, and I've got to say thank you so much, Scott.